Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide the taskbar on Windows 11 step by step. Hiding the taskbar gives you more screen space and keeps your desktop looking clean. So let's get started. First, right-click on an empty area of the taskbar. From the menu that appears, select Taskbar Settings. The Settings app will open directly to the Personalization section. Scroll down if needed and click on Taskbar Behaviors to expand the options. Under Taskbar Behaviors, look for the option labeled Automatically Hide the Taskbar. Click the checkbox next to it to enable the feature. As soon as you check the box, the taskbar will automatically hide from your screen. To make the taskbar appear again, simply move your mouse cursor to the bottom of the screen. The taskbar will slide back into view. Once you move your cursor away, the taskbar will automatically hide again. If you ever want to keep the taskbar visible all the time, return to Taskbar Settings, expand Taskbar Behaviors, and uncheck Automatically Hide the Taskbar. Your changes are saved automatically, so there's no need to click a Save button. And that's it. You've successfully hidden the taskbar on Windows 11. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Windows 11 tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.